Sandhu has presented his two books, one about beautiful nature of the Punjab and another about ninth Guru of Sikh religion. So both books are received by the tourism department and they are fantastic. And we look forward to collaborate with Punjab also regarding tourism. And we also invite Punjab tourism officials to come and visit Karnataka. We both share a lot of bondage as Punjab people are very fond of Bidar, which also holds very lot of religious significance to our Sikh brothers. They can also come and visit Karnataka, Bidar, and Bangalore and Mysore, and they can enjoy the beautiful state of Karnataka, which is known one state, many worlds also. And we also like to collaborate our most prosperous state and hardworking people of the country, that is Punjab.